Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing you people how you can make poster on National Yoga Day. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll start with making margins on all the four sides of the A3 size plain sheet. Now coming on to the drawing of the poster, first we'll be making a big circle with the help of a cap, and then we'll be further making a small circle inside this big circle with the help of a small cap. After this, with the help of a ruler, draw two straight lines and one sleeping line as you can see in the video, and then draw two curves on the either sides of the sleeping line and join all the lines together. As you can see in the video, we are here making a human figure joining the hand. To draw the hands of the upper body, we are here making the shape of a petal to form the correct shape of the hands. Now further for the hand, we'll be making a diamond shape between the petal for the joining hands as you can see in the video. Now inside this big petal, we'll be drawing a small petal for the arms of the human body. Further, inside this small petal, draw an oval shape, and inside this oval shape, draw a circle for the face of the human figure. Now give this oval shape the structure of earth as you can see. We'll be further drawing two petals beside the human body. For that, draw two straight lines on the either sides and two slanting lines on the either sides. Give them the shape of a petal and then join them to the human body. Now after the completion of the drawing part, we'll be heading forward towards the painting part. Now for the painting part, first I'm painting the sky with a watercolor blue tube color. You can even use acrylic for the same. First, I'll be mixing the blue color with some white acrylic color and I'll be painting it as you can see in the video. Mix water to form a transparent look of the sky. Now after painting the sky with the blue color, further we'll be painting the grass with the mixture of green and white color, and we'll be doing it same as we have done for the sky. Okay, so now for painting the sun, we'll be using shades of orange and yellow. Here I am starting with painting yellow shade from the inner side of the circle, and then I'll be moving forwards toward the neon orange and dark orange color. After the painting of the sun, we'll be heading forward towards the painting of the joining hands and the arms of the human body posture. We are here using royal blue acrylic color. You can even use watercolors or any kind of paints, or you can even use staedtlers or pencil colors for that. We'll be completing the whole human body and the face with dark blue color. Further, to fill the earth with light blue color, I'll be using my brush pens which is beneath the face of the human body. You can use watercolor or acrylic color here, but I'm more comfortable with brush pens on this side. So now we are almost done with the painting part. Now we'll quickly outline everything to give it a really neat and clean look. Now we'll be painting the upper petals with dark red color and the below petals with cream or yellow color. To achieve the bright light of the sun, we'll be outlining the circle of the sun with light yellow color, and then we'll be merging it with the sky as you can see. To enhance the grass texture, we'll be using brush pens to make real grasses on both the sides beside the human body. On a plain sheet, with the help of a black marker in a curve format, we'll be writing International Yoga Day, which is 21st June, and we'll stick 21st June in between the joining hands. We'll then be cutting the extra wide margins and sticking the poster on a A3 size black sheet. You can here take matte sheet which will give a finished look. So here's the final look of the poster. I hope you like the poster, and if you have any queries regarding this video, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day.